Hiya. Welcome to the Garden Whisperer. I'm Ed, and this little guy you see he is CK, my trusted gardening helper. It's your favorite narrating gardening guru, back with another dose of wisdom from the wonderful world of horticulture. Just like CK, today, we're going to stir things up a bit. We're stepping away from the neatly arranged flower beds and meticulous pruning, and plunging into a gardening trend that's got everyone talking: chaos gardening. So, buckle up, brew yourself a nice cuppa, and let's dive right in. But hold on, before we sow our first seed of chaos, do us a solid, will you? Go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. You wouldn't want to miss out on any gardening trends, would you? You must be wondering, what in the world is chaos gardening? Let me paint you a picture. Imagine all your leftover seeds, from the lavender to the lettuce, the roses to the radishes, all randomly scattered across your garden. This isn't a haphazard approach. Rather, it's nature's way of decoding which plant thrives where, creating a beautiful, self-sustained landscape. It's giving the steering wheel back to Mother Nature herself and seeing where the journey takes us. But wait, there's more to it. Chaos gardening also means you're embracing your local climate. By allowing nature to select the plants best suited to your area, you'll have a garden filled with flora that are naturally resilient and sustainable. Plus, this diverse array of plants contributes to a healthier garden ecosystem, improving soil fertility through efficient nutrient cycling. Can you picture that? Now, why are garden enthusiasts going bonkers over this trend? Well, for starters, chaos gardening is a brilliant strategy to boost biodiversity in your garden. You'll create a sanctuary for local wildlife. Imagine a garden buzzing with bees, fluttering butterflies, and maybe even a curious squirrel or two. But that's not all. It's also quite easy on the pocket. Kiss those costly plant foods goodbye and usher in a cost-effective way to garden. Plus, less maintenance means you can finally kick back and actually enjoy your garden rather than spending all your time fussing over it. You hear that? More time for fetch. Oh, did I mention the beneficial bugs? Your chaos garden, teeming with a variety of plants, will likely attract helpful insects like ladybugs and spiders, who'll gladly munch on any pests causing trouble. You'll have a whole host of natural pest controllers right there in your backyard. Now, don't go throwing all your seeds in the air just yet. Every rose has its thorn, and chaos gardening is no different. If you're fond of a polished, manicured look, then a wild, untamed chaos garden might not be your cup of tea. It's a waiting game, as it takes time for your plants to find their feet and flourish. And remember, you're relinquishing control over your garden's look. You might also have to deal with the occasional spat between plants vying for resources. And watch out for any pesky plant diseases. But don't worry, a touch of plant care can sort most of these problems. Now, let's talk about the unlikely stars of a chaos garden: dandelions. These yellow beauties are a favorite among bees and butterflies, adding a dash of vibrancy to your garden. Plus, you can pick these leaves for a scrummy salad. But remember, they can be a tad too ambitious, sometimes competing with other plants for resources. So, keep them in check. It's not called chaos gardening for nothing. Finally, the best part: the sheer joy of discovery. With chaos gardening, every new day can be filled with pleasant surprises as different plants sprout and grow in unexpected places. It's a garden treasure hunt, right in your backyard. There you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about chaos gardening. A trend that honors the randomness of nature. Perfect for those who like a laid-back, hands-off approach. So, why not stir up a little chaos in your own backyard? Remember, if you found this video useful and are excited to unearth more gardening tips and trends, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. You'll be notified each time we release a new video, and trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got lined up. Until then, keep calm, and let your garden unleash its inner chaos. Happy growing, and cheerio!